Hi all, welcome back. This is AJ Creator. Please do subscribe for more videos and press bell button. Here we are going to say about 5 amazing facts. Watch till end. Please do like, share and comment. Number 1. Penguin. Penguin or black and white seabird that can't fly and lives in Antarctica. As we all know that they are smaller in height, at maximum 1.1 meter will be the emperor penguin. But in ancient time, penguins were 1.6 meter height and up to 1.77 meter maximum height, which has been equal to a human being. As you can see the picture of the difference between the skulls of penguin in ancient and in present, as their beak is too longer in ancient time when compared to the present, as this ancient penguins were been seems to be too larger and longer in height and too weighted. These penguins were been found before 40 million years ago. Number 2. Honeybee. Honeybee is a flying insect where we get the sweetest honey syrup from its honeycomb. As we know that the honeybees is a flying insect, but do you know how much maximum height it can fly? Yeah, the honeybees are capable to fly up to 13,000 feet, whereas 4,000 meters height, and some even can fly 30,000 feet, whereas 9,000 meter of height up to the height of the peak of the Mount Everest. So they are the high flyers too. Number 3. Whales. The blue whales are the largest animal ever lived on the earth. This is the only marine mammal where rules the ocean up to 100 feet of long and weighing up to 200 tons. The blue whale tongue weight can alone be equal to the weight of an elephant. As you can see the skeleton of blue whale here, where they have bigger skull. As this is the heart of the blue whale. They have the biggest heart in the animal kingdom, where a human can also enter into the heart of his vein. The amazing fact of this heart is you can hear the blue whale heartbeat even after 2 miles away. Their heartbeat is too slower, whereas they beat only 4 to 8 beats per minute in deep sea. And the heartbeat will be up to maximum 25 to 37 beats when they come to the water surface level. Number 4. Ant. Ant are the tiny insects. They live for a long life of 30 years. There are more than 12,000 species of ant in the world, and they can lift up to 20 times weight of their own body. They don't have ears, but they hear through the feel of vibration by feet. Ant does not have lungs. They breathe through one hole and leave out from the other hole. If they fall from a longest height, nothing will happen to the ants. If all the ants in the world get together also, it won't be a more weight than the human being. Number 5. Armadillo. Armadillo is the only living mammal that wears a shield on it, where the shield can protect up to a fired bullet, and the shield can be protected by itself by rotating on it. And they have 2 smaller eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.